Hey everybody, it's Renato, and I have with me Bart Guzzardo from Designs by Guzzardo in Chicago. If this sounds a little bit deja vu, we also have another video interviewing his nephew, Christian Guzzardo, but everyone has a very unique opinion about what we're going to talk about next. So at Techonomy 2023, the topic of focus is artificial intelligence, and this is like day 2. So Bart has had a good dose of all the sessions at Techonomy and has learned a lot about AI. So now that you've attended a few sessions, has it changed your opinion or knowledge about AI at all?
It has a little bit. I would say it's put me somewhat a little more at ease than I was before I got here.
Okay, hold on, let's stop there. What were your fears or your concerns? Not necessarily fears, but concerns about it.
My first concern is a lot of people like to use a lot of things that happen in the industrial revolution of the automobile, how it displays horses. My concern is replacing people. So that's where, am I going to be just a symbol of myself, or like what functions is AI going to be doing for me where my brain functions start to be used? So that part of it is what was my biggest concern. Not necessarily jobs being lost, because I do believe that, in capital society, that those new jobs will be created.
Okay. So it would innovate enough that it would probably replace the jobs that may be lost from AI? Is that where you're getting?
I think that the United States economy is functional, efficient enough that it'll create some new jobs. Whether they're related to AI or not, we'll find some way to repurpose whatever the people that get displaced.
So being a retail florist, for how long now?
24 years.
24 years. So you've been in the business for a very long time. What impacts do you see AI happening on just the flower business in general? Do you see anything immediate that you see, okay, that's probably going to change?
I don't see anything like, when you say immediate, like within a year, 12 months, even though AI is changing rather quickly.
Yeah.
But I do see maybe we have a call center from a customer service experience that we can use AI to make the call quicker and have more data available to be more accurate with the customer, like what didn't they get or what did they get, and potentially even with the drivers, communication with them when the delivery's going to show up.
Do you use AI right now?
We do not.
So what's one of the first things you're going to do now that you've attended this conference? With AI, just from a personal level?
So I think I'm going to get ChatGPT on my phone.
Okay.
And then some things I learned a little bit is it can help you organize your data.
Yeah.
So I'm an accountant by trade, so I have spreadsheets on top of spreadsheets that hopefully can help me be a little more organized with that. And then we did dabble just a little bit today that can help create pictures for us on our website. Create a dozen red roses and different kind of vases, and it creates them within seconds.
So that's amazing that encompasses both sides of the brain.
Yeah.
So that's awesome. Last question. What do you like most about being a florist? Let me put it this way. I'm sorry. I shouldn't say like. What do you love most?
I have to say, I'm going to steal Jim's line. It's just, you deliver happiness. I mean, I've delivered enough flowers in my day.
Yeah.
I've never, ever handed anybody an arrangement that they weren't smiling. So,
awesome.
It makes all the hard work and the holidays worthwhile, at least for that 10, 15 seconds that you're there. That's the biggest thing for me.
Well, Bart, thanks so much for spending the time with us today, and I'm glad that you are getting a lot out of the conference. And thanks so much, everyone, for tuning in, and we'll see you later.